Now this one's always interesting. See this a lot around Miami. Dogs wearing life jackets. Now there's nothing wrong with that, but I just see more of that than I do people wearing life jackets. Our crew's coming in a little hot. Oh, he goes for the distance leap. He makes it, but we're going to smack the dock. Oh, no. No, he's going in hot toward the other boat now. My man's moving quick to try and get it pushed off, but he slams the other boat into the dock by pushing off on it hard. But we're in reverse. We're not done yet. And thank God our guy went for the distance jump so he can push off of the engine. Oh, my. So Cap's finally kind of in neutral, at least. But he was really heavy on the throttle hand for that whole section. So we've got a line on the dock now. Let's see if they can get this one pulled in. Only having the stern line is going to make it tough. They're going to need a forward line somewhere here. So we've got somebody coming up, and we're going to back into the dock one more time. Our dock guy, he's got to give a little slack in the line to let him get it around. But I think we're going to get pulled over. But, I mean, it was a mess for it to happen. And we missed with the line toss. We're still not quite there. And now we've got it buttoned up. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we're visiting Point Marina. And if this is any indication, it should be a fun one. And we've got another one of those all too familiar scenes here at Black Point, as our guy is stuck on the ramp. He's trying what he can, but they're likely going to have to get some weight on the back of the truck. Gives it a little back up, tries to get a running start, but no, we're not moving anywhere with that one. So we've got one person on the rear of the truck, two people on the rear of the truck. Will that be enough to get us up? And here he goes. He's going to go ahead and try and run it with this one. Still spinning tires. He's giving her a little hell. But no, we're back on the brake, and we're holding. Well, he doesn't let it slide back. He actually gained some more ground right there. And there we go. Go with the slow roll approach. Let those tires do their job. Gab a little grip, and he's going to get out with the two people on the back. Good job. And we are not done today here at Black Point. Black Point is getting a grip on these trucks. So we already kind of know the situation on this one. We've already got one person standing on the rear of the truck. But our guy is just spinning tires. Really struggling trying to get this one up. I don't think he's going to be able to pull this one off with just one person back there. Here we go, getting a little extra help. No, maybe not. I saw him walking up, and I thought he was walking up to the truck to help him out, but I guess not. So our driver's going to get out, I guess, and try and take a better look at the situation. Or wisely saying, bro, I weigh more than you, you drive. That's a pretty slick call. So we're going to get another person on here. I can't tell from this image if there's three up there. It looks like there is. But we're still spinning even. And now our guy's going to get behind and try and push. And that's not getting it done either. Interesting to see what he does here. So is he going to take back over? It looks like he's going to kick our guy out and try and take back over. But now that he's got three people back there, he probably thinks his weight's not quite as irrelevant. And now we've got four on it. So let's see how that fourth one handles it. Looks like he's going to go back, try and take a little pressure off the truck. Let the boat maybe possibly float a little bit and get a little bit of a running start and see if he can keep that momentum going. And here we go. Oh, he gunned it. He's just going to give her hell and go for it. And it's going to work this time. Gets a little cheer from the crowd even. And our crew's making their way, and looks like they're going to try and take the first dock up here by the fish table. It's always interesting when I see like the big inflatable tubes. Now, it's not going to matter so much to them, but they've got the grill out here still as well. But when you've got all these things on the gunwale and the side of the boats, it makes it tough. You've got to work around these items as you're trying to get on the dock. So we've got a guy ready with a line. But Cap's kind of far off the dock still. I mean, he could go for a distance toss. What was that? Bro, that's not going to do much of anything. I don't even know what to say right now. What am I watching? What is he doing with the line? Bro, you got to hoop it. I mean, it's got to get around the pole. You're not going to be able to just toss it up there and pull it up, man. Even with the monkey fist, there's nothing really here to grab. So he's going to step off, it looks like, and kick the boat back away as he does so. And now we can toss a line up here and somebody can grab it, and that'll be good enough to get it pulled up. But I'm not sure what the first kid was doing with the line. Maybe I missed something. If I missed something, let me know in the comments. But he was just kind of tossing it up on the dock, and that really wasn't going to do much of anything. But this crew will get it put up from here. And it's just been one of these days down here. This is our third truck that is struggling to get off the ramp. You can hear him spinning tires. You can't really see it from this angle, but we can hear it. It's funny though, they keep looking at the trailer like the trailer's possibly stuck on something, but the ramp's just slick. And here we go, he's still spinning, stopped again. I'm not even sure backing up's going to help much because the stern of the boat almost looks like it's barely floating anyway. So, I mean, he's already got a little pressure off. We're going to put our guy on the tongue of the trailer, see if that'll help us out. The Pelicans are definitely showing an interest in whatever's going on. Here we go, he's going to back up a little bit, try and take a little bit of the pressure. Now the boat's really floating, so I guess we're going to go with the running start and see what happens. With our guy on the tongue and the running start, it looks like he's going to get it out this time. And these guys will be able to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.